In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to make protective caps for objectives. The seal between the objective cover and glass can be damaged by corrosive media like dibenzyl ether (DBE) or benzyl ether benzyl benzoate (BABB). To protect your objective, we recommend using a non-toxic solution with a matching refractive index, such as ethyl cinnamate. Alternatively, you can make a protective cap for the objective. Please note that this procedure may not guarantee full protection of your objective from damage. To make the cap, you'll need a silicone-based sealant such as Loctite, a round cover slip about 14 to 18 millimeters in diameter, lint-free cleaning paper such as Kim wipes, and a gentle applicator such as a pipette tip. First, apply Loctite around the perimeter of the objective seal. Place the cover slip over the objective lens and press gently. Note that you can apply imaging oil with a high refractive index between the objective and cover slip to improve the refractive index matching. Clean off excess silicone and let dry for 45 to 60 minutes. The objective with the cap is ready for imaging. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the Alpha3 light sheet microscope, visit olympus-lifescience.com.